Hi, in this video, we will explore how leading global brands like Amazon, Coca-Cola, and Samsung have refined their Google Ads strategies to achieve remarkable results. Now, these case studies will uncover actionable insights and stepwise implementations that drove measurable improvements in visibility, engagement, and conversions. So, we have to learn the key techniques used to master Google Ads performance and translate complex data into business growth. Therefore, we will learn some of the important aspects of Google Ads and how we can break down using giving example of certain case studies. Now, we have already gone through this thing earlier, but let's have a simple breakdown of the things, like how we can, set up an Google Ad setup, right? So first, we need to come up with campaign structure. Now, Google Ads campaigns are organized hierarchically with campaigns containing multiple ad sets or ad groups, we can say, which further target specific keywords. This structure aids precise targeting and budget allocation, right? So we can have multiple campaigns under a Google, under a Google ad setup, wherein we need to as per the keywords we need to start with bidding strategies, options like target CPA, like cost per acquisition, and maximize conversions allow marketers to automate bids to meet goals efficiently, balancing cost with results. Therefore, again, in the end, we need to make sure that we track all the conversions happening. We need to have implement we need to implement tracking pixels, which with the account it records user actions post click, providing data for optimization and ROI measurements. Then we need to make sure that we are putting ad extensions too, which enhance ad visibility with extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets. So these things we have already discussed in our previous module. These improve click-through rates by offering extra information and links, and therefore setting up a proper ad strategy. Now let's see what Amazon did with their product optimizing or product listing specifically. What Amazon did, they have optimized their product listing. How? First of all, let's see the challenge. So the challenge that Amazon has faced is maximize visibility for million of diverse products in their highly competitive marketplace. So Amazon, you might have gone through, like they have lakhs of products in their category, in their overall category. So the visibility of those products, the visibility of all those millions of diverse products in this highly competitive marketplace, it's very difficult, right? Therefore, what they did, they implemented some important strategies at their backend. They used dynamic search ads. In short, we call it as DSA. It used to capture long tail searches and integrated merchant center to manage product feeds efficiently. Therefore, they have given some refined keywords based on detailed search term reports to boost relevance. So whoever is managing the categories on Amazon, product categories on Amazon, we need to make sure that whenever we are listing a product on Amazon, we give the complete. We cannot just give the product name. We also need to make sure that we provide a long tail keyword that includes the product description as well in along with the product itself. Because if, for example, there is a product in the market named Skin Champion. So it's a collagen based product, right? By HK Pharma and Cosmetics Private Limited. So collagen is there for, I mean, there are a lot of, collagen is a supplement from various brands, right? So skin supplement it is, skin and nail. So basically, if you consume collagen, then your your hair will not break down, your nails will not break down, and all those stuff. So there are multiple brands who have come up with their, you know uh, collagen powder. Some of them are having gummies and all those things, right? But then, let's say, if we take this example forward itself, right? So let's say this particular product's name is Skin Champion. So if we you know find out, if we search Skin Champion as a keyword, we will definitely land up on the product page. But then we suggest, let's say, if someone is searching for collagen for skin, right? If someone is searching for uh, skin supplement collagen, so all these things, all these long tail keywords, we should also make sure that we add these keywords along with the product name. And also, we also need to make sure that is it for men and is it for women, right? So that defines the customers, or customers as well, along with the product category. It gives a centralized approach in the product marketing itself, right? Therefore, making sure that we are putting up all these details along with the product catalog. Now, what so this is one thing, like optimize product listing by giving all those details. Then, if after they did this, I mean, after they have added all those product details along with the category and all their catalog, Amazon has achieved a 35% increase in product sales via Google Ads itself. Under Google Ads, we have to put the keywords. So if someone is searching for, let's say, collagen for skin, they'll land up on a uh, product page specifically, right? And it reduced the CPA by 20% and optimizing budget spend to focus on high converting terms, right? So therefore, we have done that for many of our clients in this, like uh, optimizing product listing on Amazon. So therefore, it is, as a marketer, it is very, very important that you learn this particular concept. Now let's see one more example, or we can say one more case study. Now, Coca-Cola driving brand engagement, how they have done that, how they have generated more sales compared to their competitor. Now, the challenge that they were facing was like how to enhance brand awareness and consumer engagement in saturated beverage markets, right? So that there are a lot of competitor for Coke specifically in the market. You might have seen there are other players like Thumbs Up, Pepsi, and Campa Cola, let's say. So all those brands have their market already. But then what Coca-Cola has done with their Google ad campaigns, or you can say the ad campaigns that they have launched, they have implemented uh, you know target custom affinity audiences based on lifestyle interests, right? They have associated with many brands like KFCs. They have associated many brands like Burger King, so that if someone is looking for some kind of drinks with their with their eatery, then they can have their um, soft drink as a Coke, right? Now, what they did, they targeted, as I told you, they targeted custom affinity audiences, right? It's based on their lifestyle and interests. So therefore, they placed these kind of ads in a way that they targeted the consumer's interest based on their lifestyle, and therefore they have majorly focused on YouTube video ads to boost visibility. They have their own brand identity, right? And then, they have boosted up their video ad campaigns on YouTube specifically to have relevance or target audiences, right? And then they have utilized location based bidding for regional relevance as well. Now, the results that they have achieved, the brand searches increased by 40%, and video ad click through rates rose by 25%, amplifying consumer connection and recall value. So with this, video ads specifically, Coca-Cola has, drove more number of sales, more number of brand awareness than the other, market players available in the market. Now, one of the fascinating case study we would say is of Samsung. Not only Samsung, we can consider this case study with most of the mobile brands, handsets and all, right? Therefore, you can say the challenge of promoting a new product launch. So create anticipation and drive pre-orders for new smartphone releases. So most of the mobile phones, most of the handset launches, making sure that they create some kind of hype. How can they create these kind of hype? Is the important aspect for them in terms of marketing. Now, what they did, they have implemented some kind of backend strategies with this with the ad thing, right? So they employed countdown ads to instill urgency. So they'll discuss about the product features which might be new in the market. For example, AI, right? AI is a new big thing in the market right now. So they have implemented AI in their devices, right? So once they, portray their uh, features, that features are you won't be getting in other mobile devices, right? So after showcasing those features, after showcasing their let's say processors and everything, they start the countdown. They start this countdown ads to instill urgency. It targeted, in market audiences of tech enthusiasts, then scheduled ads around key product announcement events, making sure the results that they generated, pre-order conversion surged by 50% while cost per conversion dropped by 30%, defining a highly efficient campaign model. So most of the brand does this, but then if I take out an example specifically in Samsung, so they have launched this. Around 4 or 5 months back. They have launched this S25 Ultra, right? So they have in an event they have showcased their features, the AI models that they are coming up with their device, the processor that is capable to have AI, modules with them on their device. So they have showcased those things in an event, and then they have started running these kind of ads. You can say Google ads, and even they have also, uh, you know, they have also promoted video ads specifically on YouTube, making sure they are showcasing their features and started having pre-order conversions, right? So this is one important aspect or one important case study that you should know. Now the common takeaways: data-driven keyword optimization, regularly analyze search terms and adjust bids to focus on high-performing keywords. What you need to do as A/B testing and ad creatives: continuously test different and ad versions to identify the most effective messaging and visuals. Uh, Audience targeting and segmentation use custom audiences to deliver relevant ads, improving engagement and conversions. Continuous monitoring and adjustment, optimize the campaign settings and budget allocation dynamically to sustain peak performance. So I have already told you earlier that there used to be a Google campaign score, right? It should be, I mean, the strength of this ad should be 100, right? But then we need to make sure we do optimize the ad campaigns regularly so that it range from 80 to 100%. So we need to make sure that we keep doing such things. Now if you see the data, it tells you the performance improvement. We have achieved click through rate more than 2.5, and then CPC have gone down, right? And then the conversion has rose up, right? And if you see the conclusion, top brands achieve Google Ads excellence by implementing proven strategies, structured campaigns, precise audience targeting, and data driven optimizations. Continuously monitoring and iterative testing empower campaigns to adapt and thrive in changing markets. Now, by adopting these best practices, businesses can transform their Google Ads outcome, making sure that they maximize the visibility and engage with the people look that they are searching for, right? So this way, Google Ads, if you want to achieve Google excellence, we need to learn from these kind of case studies. So I hope you understood each and every point, and thank you so much for your time.